Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a unboxing video. Woo! I don't think I've ever done an unboxing video. Let me think. I don't think I've ever done one. So this is shout out to my first, no, actually I have. This will be my first luxury unboxing video. So today we have Louis Vuitton. You guys, shout out to the way that they have the holiday collection bag. The bag is, they put some thought into this bag. I love this dark blue and I love the gold. You guys, first of all, I did not know people were buying the bags. People buy the bags, I guess off eBay or something. That's pretty cool to know. So I've had this bag actually for a few weeks and I have worn it once. I wanted to show you guys. We're gonna be unboxing our mini bag. All the girlies. So, I'm gonna pop her open. You guys, I've wanted this bag for a few years, not gonna lie. I decided to get the mini version. So, we have a mini Neverfull. I know the Neverfulls are not really in style right now, but the mini bags are. I really, really love a cute mini bag. I wanted the large one. When I went into the Louis Vuitton store, they had, it's like a medium size one, but I did want a really large one because I am a mom, but I opted out for this one. This is really, really cute. It also comes with a strap. The strap here, the strap is super cute. It comes with the Louis Vuitton name and the cute little flower logos on it. And this is how our bag looks up close. She's super cute. She comes with what I believe is like a coin purse. The lady in the place, she's like, you can put your AirPods in there. So, so funny. Now when you open her up, she does have the Louis Vuitton logo in the inside. And Louis Vuitton words in this little compartment right here. It's where you can, like, you know, keep like your wallet or whatever you feel like you want to put in there. So I felt like this was so cute, and you can also just wear it over the shoulder. So we're gonna be asking for the price. So whenever you buy, you're gonna get one of these little cards that it comes with. It has the person's name, that was like the commissions, they make commission off of it or whatnot, and they have their card right there, and they have your receipt. So for this bag, you guys, the bags are actually increasing in price. So for that little bag, you guys, we paid $2,187.90. So that's how much it costs for that bag. But this bag is super cute. And I do feel like it's gonna be one of those bags that, since it's technically not in style right now, but Louis Vuitton stays in style, I do feel like I'll be able to carry this bag throughout the years and not have a problem. So instead of getting just like, you know, the bags that are in today and out tomorrow. So yeah, guys, I hope you like this content. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button down below for more videos just like this, guys. Bye.